guys, this is the SlimeClan new update now. The SlimeClan name will be edited now. The name of the channel will be Redstone MCPE and my name is Redstone MCPE now, not Blue Slime. And then I will have an intro and outro. But sorry for my screen recorder because my new phone is not compatible with others recorder. I will give redstone review, map review, and redstone tutorials. My brother will join now in other videos. So that's all. Okay, bye.
Models popping bottles.